eat on that booty like Fruit Loops, eat on that booty like Fruit Loops, eat on that booty like different.
Admit it, I move like amoeba. Yeah, I float in the room like I'm reefer.
What's going on, YouTube? LDTL. Alright, bro. Teaching you how to make a Soundcloud song, you know what I'm saying? Do you want to be, you know, the best rapper? The best rappers, you know what I'm saying? You want to be like Little Biscuit. Lil Pump, yeah, Ski Mask, some guy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, alright, so today, I'm gonna teach you how to do this, you know what I'm saying? Couple easy steps. Let's go to step 1.
Had to leave a chick, cause she tried to break my heart. Now I'm focused on the guap, get to the cash and then restart.
Basically, this is the beat we got. But if to find your beat, alright, we're gonna have to pick the flow or the person you wanna recreate, I guess you can say, alright? Ugly God type beat, alright?
What is that?
So we're gonna find a good beat. Alright, so we got this little beat, you know what I'm saying? Up like a, up in the cool, up in the zoo, shoot at the up, shoot at the cop, eating that like Fruit Loops, eat on that booty like Fruit Loops, eat on that booty like Fruit Loops, eat on that booty like Fruit Loops. Alright, so you already know I be flowing, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, but anyway, to get your beat, make sure you type in blah 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 free beats, whatever, get your beat, you know what I'm saying? You go to youtube.com/YouTube to MP3. Then I like to go to YouTube MP3, this one. Up here, copy, paste, and convert. Alright, so then we download. Simple as that. I drag it to my desktop because, you know, I have too much stuff to find. So I just put it to my desktop where it's easy to find, you know what I'm saying? Then you have to get this little app program called Audacity. That's what I use because I'm too lazy to learn the other stuff, even though I have like FL Studios, like it's right here on my screen. I have it, but you know, I don't be using it. I don't know why. But you know what I'm saying? Audacity is pretty easy to use. To get Audacity, I'll put the link in the description of the video on how to get Audacity because that's not my tutorial. Drag your song into Audacity, but I'm not using that song. I'm not using this song. We had this song, the yodeling kid Walmart. This is the beat me and Lawrence are using. Kid Biscuit is using, you know what I'm saying?
Little Biscuit. Kid Biscuit on Instagram though, and I'll follow me.
Yeah, follow us. It's already on the screen. Then
I care less about they play. I stay at home and feed my face. Cause I'm
get like a notepad like on your phone or the thing I use online on my computer is RapPad. And basically the only thing I do is you really just make your lyrics. You just type in your lyrics. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Simple. So let's start with my verse real quick. You know what I'm saying? And make sure you have headphones or some earbuds to put in your computer because it'll mess up the audio through the mic. Make sure you have a mic or something. You need something to record with. You know what I'm saying? You can use Apple headphones if you need. Like speaking like that, but I have a mic. You know what I'm saying? So let's get in this. Let's get in this real quick. Okay, show you the process and the effects we put on the audio. Okay, so all right, let's get started.
Catch me on my street, 15 and I still beat my meat.
I get the drift of my walk. I don't need to talk. I do what I want. Alright, then the thing I do, follow what I do. First, we gotta get the background noise out. So we take the first part before we started talking, highlight it, effect, noise reduction, get the noise profile, select the whole thing, noise profile, boom. See how that John went away? See? Oh, let's take the first part because you hear the click of the mouse. And then press this to silence it. And then, because you hear the click of the mouse. You know when let's hit the click.
Nope.
I get the drift of my walk. I don't need to talk. I do what I want. That is so loud. I might have to redo it. But I'm going to show you what the effects I put on. Then we can do like the professional whatever thing to put together. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so then the next thing we do, we put the effect. Phaser. I usually, everything in this is like the same. I think it's like this, right? Yeah, everything's like this, and then just the bottom thing, the output gain, I put at -3. Then it kind of takes it down. Sounds so booty right now. It doesn't matter. Then, depending on the song, you can change your pitch higher to make your voice kind of go with the beat, or lower, or it depends on like what type of person you're kind of recreate, or kind of be yourself. Then do whatever you want. But so I'm gonna put the voice lower, like a little lower, -4. See what that sounds. I get the drift from my walk. I don't need to talk. I do what I want. I'm telling you, it's gonna sound a lot different in the final thing, right? It's trash, right? Because I was like screaming into the mic and it sounds real bad. So make sure you're not too close. No, I'm saying. All right, so basically, last things I put on my effects or whatever, whatever the frick that says. Then basically you put the rumble thing on. Then you come over here again and you can put treble boost. I get the drift from my walk. I don't need to talk. I do what I want. Boom. That's really all I do. And maybe put this up a little because you want your voice to be louder than the song. I get the drift from my walk. I don't need to talk. I do what I want. You know what I'm saying? Now let's get to my brother's, because he's gonna do like a Lil Pump type. So let's get his little thing. Now he has his lyrics and everything. He's about to go for his little verse real quick. 2, 1.
Lil Pump, no, it's Biscuit. Got your girl, she a misfit.
Boom, boom, you know what I'm saying? And we're back, all right? So today, it's basically the same thing, but since it's Lil Pump, you want boom, 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 Biscuit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So basically, noise reduction, blah, blah, blah. It's the same noise in the background, so I could just copy the same thing on it, you know what I'm saying?
Lil Pump, no, it's Biscuit.
Okay, so now we're gonna come over here, pitch up. Maybe let's try.
Oh man, my voice already high.
Never mind.
I'm stressed. What do you mean?
I don't know what I mean. All right, put that drum back down. -6. Boom. Come over here. Then let's get the phaser. Remember phaser? -3. Simple stuff. Phaser that. Whatever the frick that says. Rumble. And then instead of treble boost, let's put treble bass. Boom, little bass. You know what I'm saying? Lil Pump's all about that bass. You know what I'm saying? Now let's see what it says. Oh.
Got your girl, she a misfit.
Hey. Boom. And put that drum a little up. A little bit up. A little bit up. You know what I'm saying?
Lil Pump, no, it's Biscuit.
Oh.
Got your girl, she a misfit.
Hey.
Freestyle.
Hey. That's really all the effects we put on our songs and stuff. And then we'll see you at the end when the thing's done. So that's really it. Alright, so basically this is the whole thing after then, you know what I'm saying? Lots of layering, and I didn't explain how to do ad-libs, but it's basically the same exact thing on what I said, but just lower the audio down, so it's like background basically. Do your thing, add layers, make it lit, and that's really it. Okay, we're done. We're gonna go right to the song. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hey, Gucci.law in the cut, little Biscuit in the cut, you know what I'm saying? You don't put out in the state, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
I got the drift from my walk, I don't need to talk, I do what I want. Switch it up like a phone, do the talk, never walk. Okay. Take a pic, watch the drip. Got a 30 on my hip, got a 30 on my hip. Oh, take a girl, then I dip. Oh, got the lean, never sip. Give it a tip. 50-100 in cash. Got this guap, pick this gas. 50-100 in cash. Got this guap, pick this gas. 50-100 in cash. Got this guap, pick this gas.
Lil Pump, no it's biscuit. Biscuit, got your girl, she a misfit. You drinking Henny, never sip it. You buying Gucci, then I ship it. Biscuit, text your girl on the Snapchat. Post on the gram, double tap that. At this world, call me Chris Bat. Just a theory, call me Matt Pat.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, simple.
Lil Pump, no it's biscuit. Got some girl shit.
I get the drip from my walk. I don't need to talk. I do what I want. Call me X cause I'm crazy. Playing Fortnite, know I'm lazy. Dropping paper, call me Brady. Do it twice on the daily. Pop a girl like a pimple. Take a girl, she up.
Playing games pretty simple. See a girl with them dimples. The side girl got some wrinkles. They thought they're pretty simple. Shoot your head through the temple. No, it's not accidental.
Oh snap! That was actually pretty good, my guy. Like, for real.
Yeah. Lit.